Hello friends, and thank you for tuning back in with your girl Latisha McKinney. So this week I want to share with you all the different things you can do with Dollar Tree wine glasses, because this is how it all began in our business, with a Dollar Tree wine glass. So let's begin. Now friends, if you remember, we just did a video about 2 weeks ago when we took the E6000 and we placed it along the stem of the Dollar Tree wine glass. And then we start taking it in a rotating motion. Now this rhinestone chain can be purchased on Amazon, and this is exactly what it looks like. And so what we did, we continued it out until we got all the way up to the top, and it should look like this once you're completely done. Now you can check that tutorial right there if you're interested in doing this technique. Now friends, you already know this is my buddy brooch. We used this brooch in a previous video using it as a napkin ring. It makes a statement by itself, so you don't have to do much to it. So we want to make it as easy as possible. Now remember these brooches that we use that has these little pearls on it. Very simple, very easy. We're going to do a double stack. And you know when I'm talking about double stack, is taking a brooch and placing another brooch on top of it to make it pop out even more. So this is how I placed it on the bottom of this wine glass. And I just took that brooch that I just had in my hand and placed it on top of those, so it can kind of give it a lifting up position to just make that bottom stand out even more. Now you do not have to use the same exact brooch as my friends that I'm using. Now we're going to hot glue this brooch down, and on the top you don't have to use any of the gold leafing or the silver leafing pen, because if they're using it as a drinking glass, you don't want that paint up there. Now right here at the bottom, you can see why I added one more brooch to just make it pop out a little bit. I didn't place anything on the back. It's not necessary because I'm not using it for like a wedding. So if you're using anything that's focusing on one person, like for a baby shower or something like that, look at that, facing forward towards the audience. You do not have to place brooches all the way around. And you see how beautiful that look, and you can use it as a centerpiece. Now we do have a beautiful community member that asks about using the ornaments as fillers all the year round. So this is what I did. I just placed in some ornaments that's the color of our home and placed in that beautiful rose that you all love on the side. So you can use those all year round, and I think it is so absolutely beautiful. So I hope that you all enjoyed this video. You was blessed by it. Just letting you know some things that you can do to get your business off in the right direction using Dollar Tree items. Okay friends, you have a beautiful and blessed one, and guess what? We will see you all in the next tutorial. Bye, and thank you for watching.